This is what it looks like, and I didn't utilize any baby hairs. I wanted to push it back because I wanted you guys to see how natural this hairline looks like. That's one thing about RpgShow. Their hairlines and their lace are really good. Like, they have really good lace to where it's just very easy to blend in. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and start and cut the lace off of this unit. And this lace is very easy to work with. Like I've stated before, their lace just kind of melts into your head, and it's a very thin lace. Like, it's not super thin, but I am just going to put a little bit of freeze spray only on the sides because this unit fits me so good. The next thing you see me put down was a little bit of the yellow got to be glue, and I only put it on the sides because of course I want that to lay down and I don't want to have to worry about it moving around. As you guys can see, everything melted in and blended in all good.